Windchill isn't just for engineers anymore. Today, users across the supply chain, procurement, shop floor, and service teams all rely on Windchill to get their work done.
What's also interesting is that a lot of the users of Windchill today are not in R&D, they're not in engineering, they're in the supply chain, they're in procurement, they're on the shop floor, they're on the service side of things. And honestly, Windchill has not been designed in that way for them. So it's looking at how do we improve that user experience for this massive amount of users coming into Windchill that need to work in the context. Preeti talked this morning about 85,000 users at J&J who want a simplified document search experience. Like, can we make that part of the just Windchill user experience? So help me work in my context, bring the data to me so that I don't need to go searching for stuff, especially even the change process, because you have a very elaborate change process in Windchill. Can you give me the data that I need in the process to do the job that needs to be done at that time, but give me a very cohesive experience? So if I'm going from creating a problem report to a change notice to a change request, I can backtrack very quickly to see where I am and what I've been using all along. So we've been thinking and doing this work for a long time with customers on what are the issues they've seen with the Windchill UI and the user experience. And we've had design teams and researchers spending a lot of time with many of you in this room as well. And so we started on this project probably in the last 12 months or so on modernizing of the Windchill user interface experience. And you can see some of the prototypes there. And I'm going to show you two actual developments that we have underway. What I will say is that this is a long-term project. It isn't going to be done as a 6 to 12 month and it's done. It's probably going to be a 2 to 3 year longer period of time. And we want to do it more systematically with AI as a backdrop to it, right? Because the way that you have results of a search could be through a UI or it could be through an agentic approach to delivering you that same result. So we're trying to do this in a more systematic manner, keeping AI in mind.
By reimagining the Windchill experience for every user, PTC is making it easier for teams across the enterprise to find what they need, work efficiently, and embrace the future of digital product lifecycle management.